Welcome to saadX. This video I'm going to solve a nested radical problem. Let's get started. So we should solve this one step by step. Under a big root, it means we can write in here, this is root 10, then plus again root. We should carefully write this one. Here is 25 plus again root. Here is 108 plus again a root. So what is this? 154 plus. Now this root 25 will be, we know root 2 to 5 is 15. So we can write here 15. Okay. Then again we will do same work. It means here is 10 plus root, here is 25 plus again root 108 plus. Now look, this is a root 154 plus 15, so it will be root 16. We can write in here root 169. Okay, 154 plus 15, it will be root 169. Again big root, then under 10 plus again root 25 plus again root 108. Now look, here is 169, root 169 we can write 13 because 169 is a perfect square. So here against root 169 we can write only 13. Okay, then similar work, it's not so hard, just need concentration. 10 plus big root under another root 25 plus. Now look, here is 108 plus 13. Against this root we can write 108 plus 13 is a 121. Okay, then root 10 plus root 25 plus this is 121. Look, 121 is a perfect square which is 11. So we can write in here what? 11. Then root 10 plus, so this one is become 25 plus 11 is a 36. So here is root 36. So now almost we clear this one. It means this is a root 10 plus root 36. 36 also a perfect square because we will get 6. So here is 6. So 10 plus 6, it's a root 16 and our final answer is 4. Very simple, and it's a very important math, especially for math Olympiad. Don't neglect this kinds of math. Look, sometime you will face lots of math, it will never come in the examination, but for practice it's very important. So this one for practice and also for examination, it's a very important math. So I'm trying to solve step by step. I hope you clear everything. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. And also my channel name is saadX. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.